Jordan and Saudi Arabia, boasting a rich combination of heritage, culture and natural beauty. From mazes of dramatic rock formations to rolling sand-swept dunes, to a valley cloaked in palm and citrus groves, to millennia-old clues in basalt lava flows. Journey through this timeless desert and embrace the warm culture. Jordan is home to the incredible city of Petra, the country's biggest drawcard, but now, with the border opening into Saudi Arabia, Petra can now be combined with its sister city, Hegra. Crossing into the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, one of the world's last true frontiers, cultural barriers broken down, and a new world is opening up before our eyes. The landscapes wow you, and the traditional Bedouin culture warmly welcomes you. Jordan and Saudi Arabia, layer upon layer of human history and a wealth of natural wonders, is waiting to be explored.